If you want to know where the Sandbox, SAND, prices will go in the future, look at the price predictions/forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. We'll look at the Sandbox's, SAND, previous prices and see what experts have to say about its future price movements. Please bear in mind that this prediction, like all others, should be seen with the understanding that it is merely a proposal from some market experts/analysts. Not to mention the impossibility of forecasting anything so perfect. We shall, nevertheless, give it our all. Let's get this party started. Sandbox, SAND, a blockchain-based play-to-earn metaverse coin, lost 9% of its value on February 24, when the market was shaken by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Although the coin has recovered some of its losses, it remains at a one-month low. It had been on the rise earlier this month after getting the endorsement of global fashion house Gucci, which had purchased a parcel of property in its universe. What's future for the coin, and how will the Sandbox/USD forecast in 2022, 2025, and 2030 be shaped? Sandbox is a three-dimensional, 3D, metaverse game that uses blockchain technology with non-fungible tokens, NFTs. It focuses on user-generated content, which aids in the platform's development. The Sandbox, which was released in 2011, and the Sandbox Evolution, which was released in 2016, were the first two versions of the game. The two games have a combined total of roughly 40 million downloads on Android and iOS. Pixel, the game's developer, was acquired by Animoca Brands, a Hong Kong-based game software firm, in 2018, and the popular games were integrated into the blockchain environment. Sandbox is a decentralized application that runs on the Ethereum network and is powered by SAND, an ERC20 token. Sandbox is a game creation system inspired by popular game creation platforms such as Minecraft and Roblox. It allows players to not only create their own worlds and games, but also to own them as NFTs. Players receive SAND tokens in exchange for participating and playing. The present game market, according to the Metaverse's white paper, restricts creator rights and ownership, a problem that Sandbox hopes to address while speeding blockchain adoption to build the blockchain gaming market. Players may design and manipulate 3D objects like humans, animals, tools, and foliage in VoxEdit. The assets are then exported to the Sandbox marketplace, where they are sold as NFTs as game assets. Users can upload, publish, and sell their assets as ERC721 and ERC1155 tokens on the Sandbox marketplace. The marketplace went live on March 30, 2021. Game Maker, a game in which participants with assets can use them to play the game. Players can store their assets on land, an ERC721 token, that they control in the Sandbox metaverse. This land can be embellished with a variety of assets, each of which can be assigned predetermined actions using visible scripting nodes. As a result, users can turn their land into a full game experience. Players can combine many lands to establish an estate. Following Sandbox's agreement with cryptocurrency price tracking website CoinMarketCap enabling the latter to create an NFT collection on the metaverse, the SAND token began to gather traction at the beginning of February 2021. After the metaverse announced on November 2 that it had raised $93 million from SoftBank Vision Fund 2 investors, which would help the platform scale up its growth strategy, operations, and player acquisition, the token's price remained sideways for the next few months, eventually reaching $3.2165 on November 3, 2021. Sandbox already had over 165 partners at the time, including well-known US artist Snoop Dogg, as well as popular TV shows The Walking Dead and The Smurfs. Liberty City Ventures, Galaxy Interactive, and Adidas Originals were also involved in the initiative. The token had hit an all-time high of $8.4022 on November 25, 2021, a 16,387.83% increase since its inception at $0.05096 on August 15, 2020. Sandbox revealed on December 1, 2021 that players may buy plots near the one where Snoop Dogg was building his residence, Snoopverse. As a result, the SAND token increased by only 2.02% from $6.5781 on December 1 to $6.7114 the next day. Despite having established partnerships with 10 exchanges and an Mauer NFT collection commemorating the Berlin Wall, Sand plummeted 28.8% to $4.7785 by mid-month, despite having gained relationships with 10 exchanges and an Mauer NFT collection commemorating the Berlin Wall. The Metaverse's partner, Canadian electronic music composer deadmau5, announced the launch of his NFT collection on the Sandbox marketplace on December 21, 2021, pushing the Sand token's price up to $6.7288 on December 26, a 40.81% rise from its 14th of December low. On December 1, Bank of America strategist Haim Israel predicted that the metaverse will increase the popularity of cryptocurrencies much further than they are now, boosting price targets for various metaverse-based crypto assets, including Sand. JP Morgan Chase, an investment firm, agreed with BOA's positive forecast on January 18, 2022, when it published a research predicting that the metaverse business could generate over $1 trillion in annual income. Sandbox was identified in the firm's research as one of the major metaverse platforms. However, the token's value began to fall once more at the start of 2022, amid a broader drop in the crypto market owing to the likelihood of tighter monetary policy and geopolitical concerns. The cryptocurrency is currently trading at $2.95 at the time of upload. Snoop Dogg's revelation on January 27, 2022 that he would be creating a series of Snoop Dogg metaverse avatars on the platform was a silver lining for the Sand token price. The price of the token increased by 61.28%, from $2.9826 on 22nd of January to $4.8104 on February 8, 2022, as a result of the news. The NFTs were issued on February 22 and have the ability to drive up the price of the token once more. In more recent Sand coin news, collaborations with Gucci and Ubisoft were unable to counteract the market's overall gloomy mood, with the token reaching $3.1075 on February 22, a 35.4% loss since February 8. The platform has also teamed up with Warner Music Group to develop a music-themed realm in the metaverse, with the first virtual performances set to take place in the third quarter of 2022. The metaverse will have a mobile version somewhere in the fourth quarter of 2022. Sandbox is strongly reliant on Ethereum's success, according to Big One Exchange chair Andy Leon, making the token quite unpredictable. At the time of writing, 25th of February, algorithm-based forecasting firm Wallet Investor predicted a bullish Sand crypto price, calling it excellent long-term investment. The forecasting firm estimated that Sand will trade at $16.213 by the end of 2023 and $37.046 by the end of 2026, based on its research of the cryptocurrency's past performance. The positive Sand token price projection was supported by digital coin price, although at a considerably slower rate, with the coin reaching $4.08 by the end of 2022 and $6.45 by December 2025. The Sand coin was forecast to surpass its all-time high of $8.36 in 2027, according to the site. The token's price might reach $14.55 by 2030. Please keep in mind that pricing projections can be inaccurate. Forecasts should never be utilized in place of your own study. Before you invest, make sure you do your homework. Also, never trade or invest money you can't afford to lose. Upbeat comments on the Sandbox metaverse from financial organizations like Bank of America and JP Morgan, as well as sales of joint merchandise with celebrities and popular brands, according to BitBank crypto market analyst Yuya Hasegawa, are luring investors to the platform. Before Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24, 2022, Hasegawa was questioned. However, despite the fact that Sand and some other metaverse-related tokens have outperformed Bitcoin in the last quarter, the present market climate, not only the crypto market, is significantly influenced by the situation at the Russia-Ukraine border, and investors are being cautious, she added. As a result, even if Sand has a lot of long-term growth potential, because the business is still in a type of experimental or developmental phase, the financial market as a whole must wait and see how the situation at the Russia-Ukraine border develops. Guys, that's all we've got for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you appreciated this video. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Take the necessary safeguards. Bye bye.